I'm going to share with you some of the things that I have learned to use to help me improve in my flute playing. People have asked me quite a few different things on how can you play that way or something. Some of the things that I've learned, I have seen online a lot of different how-to videos on how to play the Native American Style Flute. The most common is to learn the basic scale and to learn it so that it is second nature to you. And I agree with that. You know, learn the basic scale and speed it up a little bit. Make sure you get your fingers set and centered over those holes even before you bring it up to your lips. Learn that scale. Learn it fast, slow it back down. But a thing that helped me most, I think, I've never seen on another teaching video. One finger at a time is fine because your other fingers are always right there and you know where the next one should go. But for me, to improve my playing, I learned to do jumps or skipping fingers. Do maybe 2 at a time. 3 at a time. You do different combinations like that so that your fingers know where to land without having to jump around and find those holes again. So you're teaching muscle memory to those fingers, and that really helped me. And to be able to do that at different speeds and different combinations, I've just developed little exercises for myself to use, and you can develop the same thing. Just whatever combination you want to start with. Can, you know, kind of make it into a sound, or a song, excuse me, so that it isn't as boring. But the biggest thing that I found is it takes work. You can't just pick up a flute and expect to be improving every time you pick it up unless you work at it. And that's the thing I found the most. It depends on your willingness to struggle, to get over those hurdles. Another hurdle that many people have mentioned in many different places, many questions online. How do I get past this rut? How do I, you know, I've hit a wall. I play the same thing over and over and over again. One of the things that I found is most people play a song starting on that lowest note. They start and end there, usually on most of their tunes. Start at a different hole. Second hole up. Third hole up. Start on the highest note. So all of those kind of things are different things that you can do to kind of get past that wall or rut that you might be in. Learn a different scale. The minor scale is this one most people know. The major scale, same flute, you start on the second hole up. And then you have a lower note to hit, just as an accent if you wanted to. Mode 4, the regular minor scale, is called Mode 1. Most flutes today, modern flutes, are tuned in what they call a Mode 1/Mode 4. Mode 4 is keeping this hole closed and using that as your home base. So just with those, you can do, and you can do the same Mode 4 going to a major scale there, starting here. So you've got, and I'm using a G-sharp flute right now. This is going to be C-sharp, I believe. And I don't know a lot of music theory. I'd have to look it up on one of my charts. If these help you, and if you can think of different things that I can try to help you with in your flute journey, how to make ourselves better players. One of the biggest things is to work at it, and it's not a lot of fun. The exercises that I did at the beginning of this video, some of those jumps and things, I do that regularly, and I do those at different speeds to get myself better used to it. Another thing that I do for dexterity is just like what I call finger trills. So all of those things help me to become a better player. It's something that I have to work at. if I don't pick up my flute and do some of those exercises periodically, I lose it. And I have to start over again and start working at my technique so that I can play some of the songs that I enjoy playing, or some of the styles that I enjoy playing. So if you can think of something that I haven't covered on this little video, make a comment down there. Let me know what you're thinking about, what might help you. Maybe I can help, maybe I can't. I am not the world's best flute player. I do okay, and a lot of people appreciate the playing that I do, and I hope you do. I hope this has helped you some, and let me know down in the comment section if there's something else that I can try to do that you are looking forward to doing. Let's play our flutes the best we can. Thanks for watching.